Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tea Hebbara Kitchen. Start by boiling water and adding 1 to 2 teaspoons of black tea per cup, then simmer for 2 to 3 minutes to extract flavor. Add milk and sugar to taste and bring to a gentle boil. Strain into cups and serve hot with optional spices like cardamom or ginger for a fragrant twist. Begin with fresh cold water and bring it to a rolling boil to wake the tea. Add measured tea leaves and lower heat to a gentle simmer for 2 to 3 minutes, watching to avoid overextraction. Pour in milk and sweeten to taste, then let everything come together for another minute. Strain directly into cups to remove leaves and enjoy a smooth, balanced cup every time. Quick recommendation: if you love tea and reading, try the Kindle Paperwhite for comfortable reading anywhere while your tea steeps. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. I've placed the Kindle Paperwhite link and other deals in the description for easy access, so check there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. To enhance flavor, lightly bruise or toast whole spices like cardamom or cinnamon before adding them to the brew. Control strength by adjusting tea quantity and steep time rather than masking with extras. For a creamier cup, increase milk slightly and use lower steep time, or reduce milk for a tea-forward profile. Taste as you go and tweak sugar and spice levels until the balance feels just right for you.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.